Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Rahman and today we are going to talk about Kishu Inu obviously again, and also what's going on right now in the market, and also for Kishu Inu what's the good news and what's the bad news. So let's get started without wasting any moment. Okay, so here we are. You can see Bitcoin is on 39,000 and right now at the moment it touched 40,000, but right now it is staying on 39, 38, 40 like this. But there are there are a lot of chances that Bitcoin will explode and go to its all-time high. If even if not in its all-time high suddenly, then at least on 50,000 or 60,000. I'm really hoping that, and that's what we have been talking about from such a long time. That bull run has not ended, and what our main target is like 100,000 for Bitcoin, but that seems like a little bit far away. But you know what this market is all about. That's what this is all about. I was sleeping like Bitcoin was on 30,000. When I woke up, it was on 40,000. Everywhere in news, I checked my phone, a lot of notifications. So that's why I think everything is possible in this market, and that's why we are, you can say, playing with these meme coins, with these good coins, altcoins, and cryptocurrency stuff. Ethereum, you can see here on 2.2k, it's showing some stability. It's not going so much down or so much up. Also, I bought it on like 2.1k, I guess, and I'm holding it for some long time. Just talking about Ethereum at the moment, but we actually want Ethereum to boom and go to 10,000 maybe. That's what a lot of people, not only me, a lot of people are talking about Ethereum. If Ethereum hit 10,000, a lot of currencies like altcoins, meme coins are gonna explode. They are related with Ethereum. They are on Ethereum blockchain. There are a lot of stuff linked. So if Ethereum hit 10,000, that's gonna be really massive, and we are gonna witness a lot of millionaires coming out of these coins, these meme coins, these altcoins. So about Kishu Inu, we're gonna talk about Kishu Inu at the moment, and here you can see prices like minus 4% down. It's not going down like a lot like we have seen before. When I was saying you to buy Kishu Inu at this price, when it was like laying on the floor, it did not kill 1-0 like it did right now. And but a lot of people were like doubting and said like, okay, I understand that it's really a risk to buy some coin which has a really red graph and laying low on the ground, but that's how you're gonna make some big bucks obviously. And when it was laying low, I was telling you guys all the time in my previous videos that this is the buy time, this is when you buy. Now we see it's happening. Kishu Inu got some 2 to 3 pumps in last 2 days when Bitcoin hit up obviously and Ethereum rose, and now we are looking for Bitcoin to reach its all-time high. If not all-time high, then gradually to for 50,000 maybe. And Kishu Inu is going to explode. It's really gonna go to moon. I have seen a lot of signs. Obviously, this is not a financial advice, but I see all the things just like when I was covering Shiba Inu. And other than that, let's take a look at the Twitter, because last time I was so concerned that why they are inactive for 2 days. They have been active 24/7. So right now you can see on their Twitter, like they posted 14 hours ago, Kishu Army, let's tag, retweet, comments on this profile. You can see which has a blue tick. I don't know who she is, but obviously some big influencer. Twitter, let's show her our community. We are strong. We are Kishu. Because she's talking about that she will invest in some low cap coin with a large portion of money. What I'm gonna tell you through this is they are pushing each and everything, whatever they can. They are actually pushing their token by a lot, and Kishu Army is so strong. I'm saying I can say that by looking at the interaction, how they're interacting with the profile, how they're interacting with the post, whatever they're posting, even on Instagram, on Twitter. So this thing concerns me a lot. And another news that Kishu is going to complete like 200,000 holders in no time. You can see here 199.3k is completed. They are going to reach 200,000 in no time right now, and that will be a big milestone for this token, because according to me this token has not gotten any major pump or shout out by any influencers like Elon Musk tweeted about Shiba or stuff like that. This is all by their hard work, and that's why I'm so concerned about this token and updating you guys all the time on this one. And I see a lot of people are interested in this also at this moment. Obviously the main reason people are jumping on Kishu, not on Shiba, not on SafeMoon, not on any other coin, because it is low, it has not exploded yet like we are talking about. It can cross its all-time high. once the market is stable and once the things are settled. We have to consider these things, we have to keep these things in mind, and that's how we are gonna earn something. Otherwise, unpredictable everything, you can't even be sure about Bitcoin. So what can you say about these meme coins? But still there are some these type of things from where we can have idea like, okay, if this happens, if this is going on, then this can happen. So that's all it's all about. All the things I wanted to share with you guys, that be patient, and also don't be so much patient that when you see a lot of profits you miss it out. Don't miss your profits, because I have done this a lot. I have made this mistake. I throw 100 in some coin, I see it turned in 250. I did not take it out. I was like, okay, it's gonna go more, and then it's back to $80 or $70. So don't do that. Whenever you see some massive profits, take it out in parts or whatever your strategy is. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Kishu Inu is definitely gonna explode. It seems like that. Not a financial advice. Do your own research. That's what I wanted to share with you guys in this video. So I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.